Looking for hidden treasures?
You never know. You know it's not me.
First gear.
Uh-oh.
First gear, lay out the gear selector and then jam it in gear.
I don't know if I want to be in front of him while he's playing with the shift. Yeah, I don't know if I want to be in front of him while he's playing with the shift.
I'm pretty agile.
Yeah, I can just picture this. You're like hanging.
Parking brake was on.
Yeah. Next to the port 2. I don't think so. I think that's unless they switched because it was the Quillet was driving the Roda, and Nick was in the UN. Oh, we're doing it in 2 packets. That's an HHMA.
Go right there.
Well, and that's a wrap. That was a long day of work here at the Tank Museum. And we are all set now for our winter restoration projects. We're going to have future videos on these through the winter so that you guys can be up to date on what we're doing. Here we actually, it doesn't look like much now. This was donated to the museum earlier in the year. This is an M3 white half track. It's going to be several years of restoration. Okay, and then we have the BV202. You see our ongoing video series about that, about the history of the vehicle. It needs some restoration, mostly aesthetic and some body work on it. Then further to that, in the restoration area, we actually have one of our OT 810s, Hanomags. Obviously this one's done up as an SDK 251D. It needs an engine change. Actually, we're having some serious engine issues. We're going to be pulling the engine. These are just 3 of the 8 major restoration projects. Watch the channel and you'll see all these projects and the project leaders meet our team. And we have a lot of exciting stuff, even though we're closed, a lot of exciting stuff here at the museum over the winter season, preparing for 2021 and the big shows that we're hoping to have in that year. So thanks again for watching. Keep posted to the channel and we'll keep you up to date.